Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Groupme support on PC, and this process will help you submit feedback, report technical issues, request account assistance or the obtain guidance directly from the Groupme support team. So first you need to launch any of the web browser that you prefer, Chrome, Microsoft Edge or the Firefox recommended. And over here, once you reach into this Google Chrome interface, on the top there's an address bar. Type down groupme.com and press enter. And over here, once you reach into this GroupMe official interface, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the support here. Select to the support, and the help center contains official documentation, troubleshooting guides and support request tools. Here within this help center, you can also search any of the describing the issue, for example, unable to recover account, login problems or receive messages. Here review the listed articles as well by searching it, and many common issues are resolved through this help center knowledge base without the direct contact, or you can also submit to a request here. These in-app support options are linked with the same backend support system used on the desktop. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or comments, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.